Welcome back to Motivision, where we bring the future of automotive design to your screen. If you're a fan of vintage icons reborn with a modern twist, then this one's going to hit you right in the nostalgia. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, name that carries heritage, beauty, and a touch of European romance. It's back, and it's better than ever. The original Karmann Ghia was never about raw power or dominating racetracks. It was about emotion, about style, and about standing out without saying a word. The 2025 model picks up right where its classic ancestors left off, but brings a whole new layer of innovation, electrification, and design sophistication. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2025 Karmann Ghia grabs your attention. It has the same low-slung, elegant silhouette that defined the original, but everything has been refined. The front end features a subtle, wide grille with slim LED headlamps that give it a soft yet confident stare. The smooth body lines flow like a sculpture in motion, and the designers at Volkswagen clearly took their time making sure this car honored the past while embracing the future. This time around, the Karmann Ghia is fully electric. Underneath its sleek coupe body is VW's advanced MEB platform, the same one used in their ID lineup. That means it's not just a beautiful cruiser, it's efficient, smart, and eco. The single-motor variant delivers around 250 horsepower, and there's talk of a dual-motor version with up to 300 horsepower. With a range of about 300 miles on a full charge, it offers real-world usability that matches its upscale look. Step inside, and you're immediately transported to a world where retro design meets futuristic comfort. The interior doesn't overwhelm you with too many buttons or screens. Instead, there's a focus on balance. A minimalist dash with a horizontal touchscreen blends into a digital cluster that's elegant and intuitive. The soft leather seats feature classic stitching patterns reminiscent of the 60s, but they're heated, ventilated, and fully adjustable. Every surface feels crafted, not mass-produced. One of the most charming features inside is the ambient lighting system. It casts a warm, customizable glow that gently highlights the cabin's flowing lines. And while it stays true to its retro roots, the technology on board is wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice-controlled navigation, and a premium Harman Kardon audio system all come standard. There's even an AI-based driving assistant that learns your habits and offers subtle driving suggestions based on your style. Driving the 2025 Karmann Ghia is an experience that goes beyond numbers. It's not about 0 to 60 times or Nürburgring lap records. It's about the joy of cruising. The steering is light but precise. The suspension soaks up imperfections without feeling disconnected, and the regenerative braking system is smooth and efficient. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking a weekend drive along the coast, this car is about enjoying the journey. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. The Karmann Ghia includes VW's full suite of driver assistance tech, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. It's all seamlessly integrated, never intrusive, and always working in the background to keep you confident behind the wheel. What makes the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia special isn't just the blend of past and future, it's that it has a solar personality. It reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. While the market is filled with aggressive SUVs and futuristic hypercars, the Karmann Ghia takes a softer approach. It whispers instead of shouting. And sometimes, that's exactly what we need. As for price, Volkswagen is positioning the Karmann Ghia as a niche offering in their EV lineup. It's not cheap, but it's not out of reach either. Early estimates suggest a starting price just under $50,000, with fully loaded models pushing closer to $60,000. For those who appreciate design, legacy, and electric mobility, it could be the perfect modern classic. That's our full look at the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Let us know in the comments what you think. Should more brands bring back classics like this? Or is the Karmann Ghia in a league of its own? Thanks for watching Motivision. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment in the world of next-gen vehicles. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, drive safe and stay inspired.